One of the key thematic areas in the growth strategy is legal and regulatory reforms in the LPG sector, whose primary objective is to curb illegal refilling and illicit trade of LPG, since it is a big threat to public safety. For starters and for records, the LPG sector is regulated by EPRA. Now, these regulations require that all persons undertaking LPG business must have the necessary operational licenses and comply with the requisite license conditions. The regulations further require that LPG cylinders are clearly branded and only legitimate brand owners are allowed to refill and trade with the cylinders. So anybody out there engaging in illegal LPG trade, illegal refilling of LPG cylinders, the hour of reckoning is coming. Our officers will be pursuing you very vigorously, very, very vigorously. And the crackdown on illegal LPG operations will be intensified. Let me tell Banagashagwa, stop dragging names of hardworking public officers into your political confusion.